Yo, what's up? On my way to the private photo shoot for Ambitious Whips. It's gonna be at a AirStrip. They said it's not supposed to be that many planes, so yeah. But I'm about to meet them at TJ on Fridays, and then yeah. But I think Vix Rex is coming. I'm not sure about Trill Santana, but yeah, hopefully he does come. I think he said he had to work though.
Hey, it don't matter.
Go ahead and do it. I gotta do Snapchat too.
Oh, you do that too?
Yep.
Our motherfuckers act like cameras are so weird. Hey, oh, sis.
Hey, man. We in public.
Hey.
Oh, look. Oh, wait, it's so bright. Hey, don't. Hey, be quiet.
Ready for some photos?
It's my little sister.
What's up, Jenny?
Oh my god.
Oh, motherfucker!
What's up?
Hey, look. I don't think I ever introduced y'all, but this is Kat.
Hi.
You're going to be seeing her a lot. That's little sis. She's violent, but...
I'm not violent. I'm the sweetest
Well, you
thing
want to
ever.
introduce yourself?
Sure. My name's Johnny. That's it. I'm a question mark.
Question
and
mark?
Yeah.
So as you can see, we're at the airport. This motherfucker. What the fuck? Oh, this fucking light sucks. No. Hey, you stalking us? Sorry, what's up?
Let them know what's up with these beats, bro.
Oh.
Just fucking record everything.
We are in the DMV, home of the mumbo sauce.
Out of everything, could have said home of the crabs or something.
I'm just fucking here to record.
No, but give a tough look though. Don't smile in it.
Blue crabs. That's what you got for the blue crabs. It's blue crabs. Home of the crabs. Oh.
Dedication. It's fucking raining. I've seen this car so many times. I've never seen it like in person.
Alright.
Who is this?
You know I used to walk in this when I was a kid. Oh my god.
Makes me want to turn down. The myth is true. Black people scared of the rain. I know. Hey.
1, 2, got it.
Judge, they can't be serious for shit. Look at this motherfucker, yo.
She got fat ass and you gotta like swoop with it.
What the fuck? This is not a game.
I know, I'm sorry.
Your ass, that's what I'm gonna do. These motherfuckers here, they can't be serious. This is going on YouTube.
What? You're not even recording.
Yeah.
Yes,
motherfucker.
Sassiest hoes. Like, attitude type shit. Attitude. Like, you
Attitude.
got an attitude.
Attitude pose.
Like you got to curse
Like you
on
got-
somebody.
Look like you about to beat some ass. Like you about to punch somebody in the face.
Okay, how about this? Hold on. Like, you got to fight somebody.
So I'm in the vlog now.
Alright, should we all roll in one car?
That's the whole point of why we came here.
Oh, hey, look. It's like, no. All right, but peace. I'm out. We gonna do shit tonight. But peace. You guys, how you wanna be treated? Also, me behind the wheel because your life is no more for anyone else. Say how much they girl. Peace, and I'm out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.